Oh, dang.
What you say?
Keep it to yourself, madam.
Sweetheart, be a gentle. What's it? I think.
Be a gentle.
Yeah, we just wait, Mariam.
Mariam.
Yeah, from Sato. This mommy. That's my rich auntie, you know. This my number one gossiper in this house. Yes.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Auntie Dora.
Dora baby.
It's okay.
Call me Dio.
Dio, okay.
Hey. Katawoman.
The boy abana be you boso. Boy. When you see any na.
Huh?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Oh, when you're paying any
no.
Okay.
My is a good year. Good no.
On worry, a point of correction.
Look no one. Hey, who's
in but more guy.
Oh,
but one thing I say, I was say paint in the changing. What I say? Because and you're nice, Emma. And secondly, you say I have no crying suit to a bit me.
No correct.
You have a clever Biana. You're replacing the back. Why?
Oh, the bet tongue with chain.
Oh, forget about the chain.
Mariam.
I get money. Why?
Oh, say a simple question.
Hajia.
But I hope somebody did. Come on.
Yendidi.
Yendidi. Anyone can.
We're glad to see what they do.
Okay. Maybe.
Yendidi.
Put it for me.
Hajia, go and stand there.
Where stand where? Baby, Virgin.
Oh, now what's right now? Hey, you do, yeah. Okay. Hey. David.
Oh. Essa boca só nem bibis. Me
passa me tell bibi ave pepe. Você?
Oh,
anya for mama.
Right.
Oh, me how who is kasem. Why? And you ready menche. Why?
Why are they mo bad? Oh, yeah, next time me biem. So what will you to sika gu ne so? So Jane o tire no me ka se me mpe.
Ready menche nti meko.
Me
pacho once a day me pese ye nyina ye have fun. Any fun am feel say nko.
He means once a while.
I know say.
Oh, any opa. Golden tulip, you okay my?
But also golden tulip.
Viana cry.
Yeah. What's the day? Vian.
Oh, there you make everything on Sunday. Nah, yonko.
So many inquiries.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Money why?
Can I have a mood?
See.
I have had a
problem. Why?
Baby, you didn't make us out. We don't want you on one serious opinion.
Share Hajia ni jina ono. Mso na mdomo. Okay,
where them pam cho menche. Why?
Okay.
Menche.
Menye my man.
We nye big deal.
Hey, baby, hey.
Mommy bo music too. What I say?
Hey. Sure.
Baby, Mpacho, this should be the last of our way.
Pain one.
Because Obia won't
me pacho balance no crowd. Okay. Na me gasa matu ni nyina. Me gasa ka matu ni nyina.
Oh, me that's.
Ba keep mommy. Me pacho me ko why.
Na obenya transportation there.
Me pacho kra me can never why.
Mommy, me nya kra ma o.
Baby, let's go.
O kasa anya what?
Oh, me kasa aye.
Mariam. Kasa mo. E dey na be win.
Hajia fall in love.
Me uya. Oh. Mo sole a. Hey. Peme a. Hey.
Baby, Jason.
Oh, me okay.
Are you sure? You sure so you okay? What is it? Tell me. Talk to me.
Difficult for me to say it.
Cool. What is it?
Okay. No matter what, I have to say it.
Yes, you have.
I'll say last time I make a choice say the car steady be about say because.
Yeah.
But my mistake I'm here and say my 3 months investment. It's a 3 months nation. I mean to me any scout bank.
Okay, what investor bank bank?
Me investor or eco bank.
And I almost say want to withdraw your money.
Say once my end 3 months investment. It's a me 3 months nation.
What did you invest in?
Oh, babe, forget about that. Now you can't
Baby, I'm your baby, so I have to know everything about you.
Now, the me yana crying and say, "Oh, mama, me just 2 weeks." So what say me ye castle?
So, okay, like minimum or possible to me a clamor in my name. Now, what I can say, me and me family home corner.
Oh, that. I was a miniska.
So clear, that's all.
Yeah.
Don't worry, me no be on mobile to me a clamor. And I offer someone can walk.
Me person me anka me claim ade. What I say? Say the be ya me ba. Oh, me jet 2 ni nyina wa kra ho. Na me ma drop e ode na ba. Me ba na me jam na me sa back because car straight dem dey. I say me ma ba ko me ni ho a obetimi dey ayo rounds. What I say? Enye logic crash say oba me ha be fa drop in ade mfutro be ball. Oh. Scan crunch said then yiska bi ampo. Me ampa. Ah.
So
Just 10,000 pay. Ah.
10,000.
10,000 pay.
I know, like, only scabby so.
It's kind of debut, like I was saying. Oh, that's why I can't bring my you cry.
No, I don't get you. Scout one day, I said, able to me.
Scan of bounce a time near that's no. And I think so, mamma me 2 weeks. And you come a peseka, me yes scanner the clear on. Now, Bibia to the enough in my drop with scanner back. Maybe I'm in free beer. And then I make catch on me ferry because the Bema there was na. We see to say what take care of about on anything. And just say or request it be feel ban or to me tell my ding and until too many swim to baby.
Okay. Welcome, to me myself, I don't have enough in my account. Me shouldn't need casa once I made some PayPal accounts, but like many panel your mom outside, you know, like also my block because my desk can seek a far first with the back. But me work a crowd with my Fidelity Bank account and when I come for sending message we say when ya then I don't know.
So how much is it?
I only have only 7,000 Ghana cedis in it.
7,000. Okay. Meet my manager. I have say Andrew Bear Monday cried and anka. My friend Nana last time I did a picture children.
Okay.
I think she'll be a can also swim. Should the mommy manage you for Wayno?
Why? This money is for my mom, it's not for me.
Oh. My catcher will say, Bibia to 2 dear. Ebi cry na Andrew sa woman in business can cry no. Not just say my meet my and be about 10,000 a man.
Are you sure?
Change is 10,000 a banner so for so the name of a man. And I say bia obetse a we free so now then 7,000 man. Many problem. So
I'm trusting you. That's why I'm giving this money to you. You know the money is not for me, it's for my mom.
Me nya dia e dey nim gwa se bebro and I say e be cause problem between you.
I know, but we are talking about money.
See, money is the root of evil.
I know, but please.
Don't worry.
I can't just give my mom's money to you like that.
See, I promise you, I'll do everything.
Even I know you do anything for me, but giving my mom's money to you is a little disturbing, you know. You can't just give that money.
Okay. To cut everything short, keep your money. I'll find another way to solve my problem.
Baby, you knew you would find a way. You not do it, so now.
You're my everything, and you have already said that you want to help me. So why are you beating about the bush?
I'm not beating around the bush. I just want you to know that the money is not for me. It's for my mom. If I'm giving it to you, you should bring it back, Kelly.
Promise. I'll do everything in a good way. Please.
Okay.
Give me a smile. Oh, come on.
Alright, so.
Shall we go inside?
You should send me your account number.
Oh, don't worry.
No, send it to me.
Okay, don't worry.
So.
Don't worry. I'll do everything.
Alright, so.
I hope everything will be done.
I said send your account number to me.
And I said, don't worry. I'll do everything before I leave. So, can we go inside?
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Baby, don't tell my friends about this thing, no, because we name Dora. Or pay no more style.
Some me now cry. Yes, I cry. Me the cancer. Why?
Let me trust you.
Let me try myself to carry you.
Please,
No, I want to kill myself.
please, don't kill.
Oh, let me carry you.
Please don't kill yourself for me.
Then carry me
Baby, you know I can't carry you.
on my back.
Baby, please. Baby, I know you like me. This one, dear.
Okay, let me get up.
Right.
Let me try.
Hey,